everyone, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and I'm back again with another video, and this is like the most highly requested video I have ever had on my Facebook page or in my YouTube channel or in my Instagram. So this is actually a hijab tutorial video. I have done this one previously, like 2 years ago I guess, but since then many of you have been like requesting for an updated video of my hijab routine plus how do I do my hijab. So this is actually going to be a hijab tutorial for you guys for this upcoming Eid. Before starting the hijab tutorial, I do want to mention one thing, or you can say I want to mention one product particularly, and that is my hijab shampoo. This is the fig and mint one, and I have actually done a review of this one too. This was sent to me about like a month ago, and since then I have been trying this one out and I really enjoy using it. So the thing that I wanted to tell you guys is that this is actually an essential for me nowadays. I cannot go without it. Like if you guys can, if I can show you guys, it's already halfway through. It's so light right now, so I've been using this constantly and I love this one. So this is actually an essential product for me for this upcoming Eid. So my hijabi sisters out there, if you still haven't tried this one out, I would suggest you to try this one out. At least buy out the sachets to try it out. Then if you like it, you can buy it, or if you don't like it, then you don't have to. But I would suggest you to at least try this one once, because this shampoo is amazing, and to be honest, it actually does help to keep my hair refreshed. So I would highly recommend this one to you guys for this upcoming Eid, because this is an essential product of mine nowadays and I love this one. Enough of me blabbering, so let's move on to my hijab tutorial. I might seem a little bit weird right now, but it's okay I guess. So I just put on the scarf on top of my head and I've done nothing. And the thing is that I'm actually not wearing any kind of undercap underneath. I do not wear any kind of undercap because it just makes my head sweat a lot more, so I do skip wearing an undercap. So the most requested hijab tutorial you guys wanted was the turban style one, so let me just show you how I do it. So just put on the scarf on top of your head, then take the two ends behind you and then just twist it around and take the right side in the left side and the left side in the right side. Then we will have something like this, and we will have a portion which is much longer than the other one. The right side one is the shorter one and the left side one is the bigger one. And now what I will be doing is I'm just gonna take this side right here and wrap it around my head, and then take the tail around and pull it back right here. And from the right side I'm taking the other part and fluffing out this side, and just tie a knot around here and adjust it according to your choice. Adjust it and fluff it according to your choice, and you're good to go. And I'm not wearing any kind of pins or brooches or anything. It's just this tie right here, and it's secure. It won't like get undone. So this is the turban hijab tutorial that you guys have been wanting, and it's really easy. Okay, so the turban hijab is done, and I just want to show you guys just one simple hijab routine too, which those of you who don't want attention to yourself and want something much more simple, you guys can do that. So let's see that, and for that you just need only one pin. So here I have the scarf that comes with my abaya, and I'm just taking it, I just put it on top of my head, and then I'm just securing it right here. I'm not putting any kind of pin, I'm just like tightening it around so that it doesn't become undone, and then just adjust it and wrap it around your head like this. and just secure the end with a hijab pin. And here it is. It's very easy. You can do it anytime and you can just redo it anytime you want. And so these are the two styles that I actually do wear. So this is the one that I do regularly, and that is the one when I do like for events and also for my tutorials and all. But this is like the one that I'm most comfortable in. So I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys, and make sure to check out the description box below. I'll be linking the hijab refresh shampoo down there. And also, if you guys did not check out my hijab refresh shampoo review video, then make sure to check it out. I'll be giving the link somewhere in the screen and also in the description box below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to give this one a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you already haven't, and don't forget to follow me in my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also in Snapchat. And I'll catch you guys again in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.